Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this one I'm going to show you friends installation of the Realme UI 3.0 from the A.22 version. Yes friends, right now I did use the Realme X and Max device with the A.22 version only for the long time, and before it was A.14 update. So from A.14 it upgraded to A.22, and finally right now today I'm going to update to the Realme UI 3.0 official update. As you can see, that's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. And the update size is of close to 5.25 GB's update size, which the Realme X and Max did receive, and this is a 12 GB RAM version which right now I got. And I did not register any kind of beta testing, no beta testing. Direct official version has been came for the Realme X and Max device from in my device, as you can clearly see friends. So that's what I thought of making a video on this particular topic, and definitely I like to concentrate on performance wise and always the RAM management and everything, what's happening at this moment in the Realme X and Max device in terms of the overall performance of this Realme X and Max as well. Let's see so much improvement or any kind of downgrade we can actually see or not, because sometimes because of software updates also there might be some kind of issues, but I'll try to concentrate friends in the next upcoming videos as well regarding the overall process. So right now the download has been completed successfully for this 5 GB of Realme UI 3.0, and right now I did start the stopwatch as well. So just to show you like how much time it actually takes to install completely Realme UI 3.0. Let's find out time taken to install as well. So right now it started the process with the Realme UI 3.0. And after this update, definitely I'll try to do a lot of testings in the Realme X and Max device in terms of the performance and in terms of the gameplay and RAM management and everything. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested on this particular topic. So it's gonna take some time as well. So I'm gonna be back after some time. So right now as you can see it's updating. So 1/8 stage there, and I'm going to be back maybe across the final stage. Then we can try to discuss what's the average time. Right now as you can see friends, we are getting close to exactly 10 minutes of time as well, and you can see the clearly installation process 8/8 stage right now. So slightly it's taking more time, you can see. Since this is a big update, that's the reason why it's taking slightly kind of more time. So let's see friends, right now you can see the installation it's kind of finishing at this moment, and once after the installation I'll definitely do the in-depth testing as well on this particular device regarding the Realme UI 3.0. So about the benchmark scores and about the performance and everything I'll try to test out in this device. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested as well. So right now we'll try to find out. Right now it's kind of booting up, you can see. So Realme logo, we got the logo itself. And here comes the final thing, final lock screen should be opening. And definitely when this is the 12 GB RAM version, and I do have the 8 GB RAM model as well. So I'll try to compare 12 GB RAM version versus 8 GB RAM model side by side, just to give a clear idea what's happening between these both devices. And right now it's showing about optimizing the system apps as well, optimizing apps. So all the apps are optimizing for the Android 12 at this moment. Right now as you can see, this complete update has been installed in about 11 minutes of time. So this is how much time that phone did take to completely install the latest update Realme UI 3.0 in my Realme X and Max device. Right now as you can see friends, so Realme UI 3.0 has been installed successfully in my device, and that's it friends. Thank you for watching us. Straight up more updates. In case if you have other questions, let me know in the comment section below. And I think I did receive another update as well, C.10 update. So anyway, so meanwhile signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, straight up more updates. In case if you have other questions, let me know in the comments. Until then, signing off and bye.